Hi there again, it's Scott with Mr. Water. Today is June 9th, 2022, and I just finished a pretty big job here in Frederick, Maryland. This house is built in 1806. You can see the 1806 floor joists here. They're pretty old. What I did for these folks is put in an acid neutralizer. The pH here is 5.2, very acidic, and a 32,000 grain electronic demand water softener. And that's just here to take the hardness out of the water that the acid neutralizer is producing. Also put in a big blue carbon filter. And the other thing I did for these folks is I moved their well tank from underneath the upstairs. It was underneath the stairs. And so I moved the control box down here along with the well tank. And this system's going to do a really good job for them and keep their family's water safe.